right, class. Who knows the answer?
Me! Oh!
Wonderful. Let's hear it.
A is for aeroplane. And A is this. Good morning, class. Let's learn the letter B. B is for ball. Watch it bounce.
Ball!
All right, class. Today is special. Look who I brought. This is our friend. C is for cat.
Teacher's here!
Hello, class. Meet my friend. This is D for dog.
D for dog! Doggy!
Okay, everyone. E is for elephant.
Wow! Elephant! So cool!
Okay, class. F for fish.
Wow!
Who can tell me?
All right, class. Today is special.
Yeah!
Yes, G for goat. Let's write it. Okay, class, for hen. Welcome, hen. What letter is this? Okay, class. Who knows the letter I?
Yes!
I is for ice cream.
Yeah! Ice cream!
All right, class. J for juice. Look, J for juice.
Yeah!
All right, class. Today is
K!
K for kite. Wow! So fun!
Okay, class. L is for lion.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. Children, say hello.
All right, class. M is for monkey.
And look who's here!
Yes, everyone say hi.
Hi!
N for nest. Look, everyone. A real bird's nest.
Wow!
Yes! All right, class. Today is O Day. That's right. O for orange. Look. Yes, everyone say O.
P for parrot. Look, our special guest. Yes, wonderful.
A queen is here!
Hello, children. Q for queen. Hello, class. Today is R for rabbit.
Yeah!
Welcome our fluffy friend. Let's all say R for
All right, class. S for sun.
Yay, a sun.
That's right, our glowing sun toy.
We love it!
All right, class. T for tiger. Welcome, Mr. Tiger.
Roar. Hello, everyone.
U for umbrella. The U is for umbrella. Class, what letter is this?
V! Yes! V for van! Look!
It is. Let's see. Hello, everyone. Today is W for watch. Let's look at this watch together. X is for xylophone. Let's play. Great. Who can say it? X for xylophone.
Y for yak. Let's all say it.
And here comes a real big yak.
So,
Welcome. Okay, class. Z for zebra.
and look, a real zebra.
Z for zebra.